Hello, everybody. My name is Mohammed Al Hashmi.
Hello, my name is Mansi Tripathi.
Hello, my name is Christian Montiel.
Hi, my name is Nolan Pinnell. Yeah, Rena Paul.
So, cybersecurity is a rising threat in our time, and one of the most vulnerable populations are senior citizens. Our solution aims to help minimize these attacks and secure cyberspace.
The elderly population is the target of a lot of online scams, such as phishing, Medicare, and health insurance scams, and stolen banking information. According to the FBI, the number has grown by 11%, and over 101,000 Americans have reported being scammed online. The elderly population is so vulnerable to the online attacks due to a lack of digital literacy. Our solution aims to help increase elderly people's digital literacy and exposes them to ways in which they can secure themselves online, and thus reducing the percentage of cyber attacks against them.
In recent years, the number of people over the age of 60 being scammed online has dramatically increased. The relative amount we should all wrap our heads around is upwards of 101,000 Americans. Most seniors, in fact, do not enjoy using the internet as a whole because they see it as difficult. They have trouble understanding what they should do and what they shouldn't, especially in the area of avoiding scammers.
So we've all seen how the internet is not a safe place to navigate if you don't know what you're doing. And we all heard the countless stories of our seniors being scammed for not knowing what is trustworthy. So this is us making an existing idea into an app. A&T and NCOA have their own set of modules that help teach the elderly how to navigate the internet. But what we are doing is taking this and making it into an app to incorporate AI as a tool and meeting-based workshops that can help them how to safely navigate the internet.
This is our poster that displays our logo, app design, and functions within the app. It outlines the options seniors will face as they open the app. They will see the video call, messaging, and people available to speak to when they want to begin their enlightenment process. If they choose to access the video call page, they will then be directed to a workshop space where multiple advisors can not only speak to them, but demonstrate themselves what to watch out for. Seeing is always better than hearing, especially when the information needs to be retained and utilized in their everyday lives. The last but not least aspect of the app is going to be the AI response system that can be used simultaneously with other choices to help help make the user feel confident in the information they are being fed.
Our solution directly connects to the grand challenge of securing cyberspace by addressing both technological and human aspects of online safety. In 2021, according to the FBI, people over 60 lost more than $1.7 billion to cybercrime. Criminals often target older people because they may struggle to recognize fake emails, manage various passwords, or use extra security steps like two-factor authentication. A solution like ours can reduce their exposure to scams, protect their finances, and restore confidence in using technology. By targeting one of the most vulnerable populations to cybercrime, our solution helps reduce overall online risk, build a safer and more resilient cyberspace for everyone.
Our next step in regards to the production of the app would be a kickstart and funding campaigns. We need as much support as possible to ensure that the app can come out the way we want it. It would challenge to gain support quickly, however, to explain the depth of the problem we are facing, we believe we can make a dramatic impact in the people that care for the ones around them. Plus, funding this attempts to help the elderly generate a great status for the group that can pitch in.
So, our funding sources will be some government agencies like CISA, Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, and some big tech companies that support digital literacy programs, such as Google Organization and Microsoft Philanthropies. So our marketing plan is local newsletters and community bulletin boards. Also, we have some healthcare organizations as they have already communicated with seniors weekly. And last but not least is libraries and digital literacy programs.
Overall, through our project, we aim to improve cybersecurity for everyone by helping the most vulnerable population, elderly people, learn about how to better protect themselves online. This will conclude our presentation for our project, Cyberspace Seniors.